if you're experiencing low performance in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to optimize your game settings and system performance. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing to improve frame rates. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications while playing. Use the task manager to end tasks that are consuming resources, allowing your system to allocate more power to the game. Step 4. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is fully updated. Go to your system settings and check for any pending updates that could improve system stability and performance. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures. Use monitoring software to ensure your components are not overheating, as high temperatures can lead to throttling and reduced performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Overwatch 2 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.